Welcome back to some Maverick cocktailing. I'm sure, just like me, you must be having a whole lot of visions will turn into a reality or a series of realities. And I'm sure, just like me, you would like to turn each vision into an awe-inspiring one. And this is how I do it. I don't turn a vision into one major goal to chase the entire journey through towards eventually turning that vision into a reality. No, I don't do that. What I do is I leave that vision blessed and awesome in its own beauty where it is. And then I look back on this journey, this path that I have to travel to eventually turn that vision into a reality. And then what I do is I place small, little incremental goals right from the beginning of the path, eventually leading to the vision. And you know why I do this? Because there was one night I was driving on a highway which had absolutely no lights. It was not a lit up highway. And all that I could depend upon was the vision in front of me of what 150 meters, what my headlamps could light up for me. And I turned every 150 meters into a goal. So the moment I would cover 150 meters, I'd look at the next 150 meters and say, okay, that's my next goal to cover. And then the next 150, and the next 150, and so on and so forth till I finally reached my goal, my destination, which was my vision, absolutely safe and sound and extremely happy. There's a lot I learned from this, because with every small little 150 meters that I covered, I was so motivated, I was so deeply inspired because I kept learning how to cover each of these 150 meter strips, so to speak, effectively, with increasing speed as my confidence built up, and finally, the destination. So if you want to really achieve your goals, if you really want to achieve, more importantly, your vision of a beautiful reality that you want to eventually turn that into, follow small goals. Enjoy achieving those 150 meter drives, safe and sound. And you will actually blissfully enjoy watching that reality turn into something absolutely awe-inspiring. This is Anand, nair, signing off for now. See you soon. Till then, take care.